Today's topic, dishwashers. This particular brand of dishwasher is not meant to be installed with 2 screws here. It's meant to be installed with screws here. Well, Chad, what difference does it make? Well, I'll tell you. When you have these cultured stone tops like this, the manufacturer will install this screw bar. And this goes into here and allows it to accept a screw for the mounting, but not this manufacturer. So what's the big deal about that? Well, this head that we have replaced, the screws will actually scratch the head. Let's don't do that. Let's install it per manufacturer's instructions. While we're here, let's look at it, make sure that it's clean, make sure everything's operating. Maybe it's time to clean the filter. What? My dishwasher has a filter? It just might. Read your instructions. Now it's time to go clean this like we do at Collins Design Build.